Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Okay, well, we got a lot of stuff going on today. I was going to do this video last night, but dummy here I'm pointing at myself, forgot the SD card for my GoPro. This is what I'm working on today. Well, actually, I'm in here working on this, and I'm over at the truck. Now, let me show you what I'm doing over at the truck. But this is what I'm doing here. Picked that up last night off a job site. This, as you can see in the back of my truck, I picked up as scrap. A John Deere 3800 PSI, 4.0 gallons per minute, and it's a Honda 13.0 motor. The thing is, this actually runs. Now, a new pickup that I pick up from now said scrap it. He said there was something wrong with the pump. Well, unfortunately, this is my dilemma. I had help getting it into the back. It's way too heavy for me to pick up. So, how am I going to get it from there to there? Because I already have permission from the people here to hook up a hose to this just to see if this thing, if the pump is actually bad. Because the only thing that I see wrong with it is this gun. You see the tip? The tip's broke. These are the tips right here. There's no way to connect the tips. There's a piece missing. I'm kind of wondering if this machine actually does work and it's the gun that's broken and not the pump. That I don't know. But can you guys figure out how I'm going to get this on the ground by myself? Inquiry minds want to know. But I think I'm going to pause this. But before I pause it, how did you guys like my new intro and outro? It took me 2.5 hours to make them. You know, so leave your comments below on what you think of it. And I mean, good or bad, I want your opinion. How are the new intro and outros on my new videos? But, well, I got to figure this out. How am I going to get this to there? Stay tuned. This might take a while, but for you, it'll only be a matter of tenths of a second. So, stay tuned. I shall be back once I figure out how I'm going to get that down to the ground by myself. Later. Okay, well, as you can see, I lifted it out because I was kind of hoping somebody would be here, but they didn't show up because they're actually doing something that's taking longer than expected. So he might not be here until tomorrow, but I need to get this documented. Okay. Like I said, this is a John Deere 3800 PSI, 4.0 gallons per minute, 13.0 John Deere power washer. This is actually so let's fuel on let's turn the choke on. Oh, it'd be nice if I had that on. Okay. So what happens? Water coming out. So the pump's working. So the only thing that's wrong with this is the gun. This thing works perfectly fine. And it is also missing a nozzle. And like I said, this is broke. What? $10 gun? And it'd be perfectly good. Well, because as you just saw, water shot out of it. Why is my phone dialing itself? I'm having issues with my phone. You see that? How it's coming away? It's because the battery is swollen. So if anybody has a battery, ZTE from TracFone, you need a battery, or if somebody has a smartphone like this that they upgraded and want to send me it, you can contact me through my email in the description. But yeah, the case right here is broke. It's because the battery's swollen. So yeah. Well, let's disconnect it and ow, and ow, and ow. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. But this is one thing that I wanted to check on before I put it up for sale. But like I said, I had the property manager's permission. But yeah, so I really don't know. Really don't know. But yeah, that's the only thing that's wrong with it. It works perfectly fine. That or it just needs gaskets, but not leaking, nothing. So why? I already did this. Yeah, my phone's giving me issues. It starts and stops. So I was kind of hoping to have a special guest for this video to help me out a little bit, but things happen, and unfortunately I cannot leave this like this. I just can't. So I have to put all those radiators in the back of my truck, because I have to strip them down. And so yeah, all these radiators, that and those three right there, all came from the same place. They were sitting along the back of his wall, and he said take them. He didn't need them. So yeah, so I have to scrap all those out today, along with that coil, and that coil. Yeah. So yeah. And this is almost taken apart. I got to remove, there's the copper from it. I gotta remove that so I can get to this last screw right here, and then that part will come off, and then I gotta go and find how to and connect these off that, and then that's good to go. So yeah. And then I gotta take that motor out. Gotta dismantle that. Gotta take that motor out. But yeah, my work is never done. But yeah, well, almost done. Whew. But yeah, I'm gonna go up front and have a cigarette and so it's not bad for scrap. But so that's all. I'm gonna go up front. So you guys have a good one. I'll be back.